Hi friends, welcome to Health and Gardening. In this video, I am showing you an effective way for growing money plant from stem cuttings. By trying this method, you can make your money plant to grow faster and healthier. There are some interesting facts about money plant. According to Chinese traditional feng shui principle, money plant is one of the best indoor plants to purify air, which are polluted with synthetic chemicals from furnitures and cleaning solutions. And also, according to Vastu Shastra, planting money plant inside the house may bring good luck to the family. Alright friends, now let's see how we can propagate money plant from cuttings. First step is that you have to select the stem of a healthier money plant. Cut the stems about minimum of 10 cm long with a sterilized knife. Then dip the cuttings vertically in a bottle or container filled with water for a couple of weeks, about 11 to 14 days. Once you see the development of roots in the money plant cutting, take the cutting from the water and arrange them for planting in the soil. Money plant can grow in any type of soil, but the plant grows beautifully on fertile loamy soil. Mix the soil with sand and organic compost or coco peat for making it most suitable for growing money plant. Money plant prefer neutral soil with a pH range of 6 to 7.5. Alright, now we can plant the cuttings into the pot. Medium-sized pot with good drainage holes are best for money plants. Make a trench of about 2.5 inch depth horizontally on the soil and then plant the money plant cuttings horizontally to the trench where the roots facing downwards. Water your money plant every 8 days. Water well once the roots are formed to grow it faster and allow the soil to dry out between two waterings. Money plant growing in soil does not need too much water. Overwatering will cause roots rot. Money plant can grow in both direct and indirect sunlight. But too much direct sunlight can turn the leaves yellow and even burn them. Try to place money plant in a shaded area where it receives only indirect sunlight. Normally, no fertilizer necessary for money plant. However, you can make homemade fertilizer for money plant by adding used tea leaves, coffee grounds and powdered eggshells in soil. Alright friends, I am concluding this video on growing money plant from cuttings. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. If you have any suggestions, please say it in comment box. Thank you.